Hi, this is Jessica Simpson with Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make treble crochet stitches. Treble crochet stitch, it is also called triple crochet and it is abbreviated as TR. Important facts, treble crochet stitch is similar to a double crochet stitch but slightly taller in height. And it is 2 chains taller than a single crochet. To begin a row of treble crochet stitches, first stitch a foundation chain to the desired length. I am going to start by making a foundation chain of 11. And if you're very new to this and don't know nothing about this, you can refer yourself to my other videos where I show all of the skills needed in order to complete this one. I'll be completing 2 rows for the demonstration purposes because that's all you need to know to grasp the concept of the treble crochet stitch. Also, at any point, you can check the notes below on the description where I added important information and the materials I use in this video for demonstration purposes. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss anything. I will be offering reviews and many other tutorials. Now that I have the 11 chain stitches, I'm going to add 4 extra chain stitches for the turning point. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the reason why I'm adding these 4 chain stitches is because 3 of the chain stitches are equal the height of the treble crochet stitch, and the extra stitch equals the turning point. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to skip to start our first treble crochet stitch. We are going to skip 4 chain stitches from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to start our treble crochet stitch on the 5th chain stitch. Okay, and the way we are going to start is very simple, but I want you to observe. Similar to double crochet stitch, we are going to yarn over, but this time we are going to yarn over not just once but twice. Okay, yarn over once, yarn over twice, and then we are going to insert our hook in the 5th chain stitch. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Then we are yarn over and we are going to pull up a loop. Now you're going to yarn over and you're going to draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. There you go. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, draw the yarn through the next 2 loops, and you have 2 loops on your hook. And lastly, you are going to yarn over again and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. And here you have your first treble crochet stitch. You're going to do the motion 3 times, okay? Now let's do the next one to practice. We're going to yarn over 1, yarn over twice, and then we are going to insert our hook. What I do, I hold with my thumb here so I don't lose the tension. So that's a technique I do. Insert my hook. I have 3 loops on my hook. I yarn 4 loops on my hook, I'm sorry. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now I have again 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. I have 3 loops on my hook now. Yarn over, draw the yarn through the second 2 loops. Now it's leaving me with 2 loops on my hook, and then yarn over again and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. And now I have 2 trebles crochet stitches. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. This time I'm not gonna say anything. I want you to observe, and you can do it with me because I'm going to do it in slow motion. Now I have 4 treble crochet stitches. I'm going to continue and you can meet me at the end. So now we have the very last stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the second 2 loops, yarn over again, and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. Okay, now that we've reached the end, we should have 11 treble crochet stitches in total. Okay, we made 11, we added 4, which made a 15, and then we ended up having 11 because we skipped 4 of the chain stitches. So that we start by making 4 chain and turn. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we turn. To start, we are going to skip the first chain stitch, similar to when we are making a double crochet stitch. And if you don't know anything about double crochet stitch or single crochet stitches, which are one of the basic stitches as well, you can check my videos as well. I have a playlist of basic crochet stitches. So you're going to skip the first chain stitch, which is this one here, and you're going to insert your hook in the second chain stitch, which if you move the work towards you, you're going to see a series of V's. You're going to insert your hook in between these 2 strands, okay? So let's start by yarning over twice, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop or draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the second 2 loops, and yarn over again and draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. And that's how it is done. It's very simple. You can keep going till the end so you can practice. You can visit this video as many times you want. If you have questions, suggestions, any project you have in mind that you would like for me to help you with, just add everything in the comments, guys. I'm going to read them and I'm going to answer as soon as I get the chance. And now we are finishing our last treble crochet stitch. And this is how you make a treble crochet stitch. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Hey, don't forget to check out my videos where I show you step by step those skills needed in order for you to start this crochet journey. And don't forget to subscribe.